Hey everyone, today we're going to look at how to complete KYC on Phemex. So first, from the home page, we're going to go up to the right hand corner, scroll down and click underneath your username, account and security. Then you'll scroll down to the bottom of this page and go to identity verification and click ID and face verification. Alright, here we can go to choose a document. Let's say driver's license. Then you need to select issuing country. And then you can click on submit document. And then here we recommend you click continue on phone. But you can also upload it from your computer. But if you do that, you'll have to continue on phone later on anyway. So here you should just continue on phone. And then you'll go to this page and you can get secure link and this will open it on your phone. After you've clicked continue on phone and then scanned the QR code or put in the link, you'll be brought here and then you just click on take photo. After you've finished taking the photo, you'll be brought to this page where you can check, make sure that the card is clear and easily readable. Then you can click confirm. You'll then be brought to this page in which you need to take a photo of the back of your ID card. So again, click take photo. After you've done that, the next step is to take a selfie, which they'll compare with your document. So as the instructions say, make sure you're looking at the camera and your eyes are visible and don't wear any glasses. And you can click continue. And then you can confirm. After you've taken the photos of front and back of the card and your selfie, then you'll get to this page, upload successful, and as it says, you can then go back to your computer to continue. Alright, so we've submitted everything through the phone, and then it will allow you to return to your computer, and this pop-up should come up, and that's all that they need, and you can click Submit Verification. From here, you'll choose a document, one of these four. So let's choose passport. Now we're going to submit a passport photo page. If you're on the web, then click below this continue on phone button and upload a photo that you have on your computer. Make sure you look at these and make sure your photo shows your document clearly. And then click upload photo and you'll select it from the file on your computer. After you've selected one, it will show you the preview and then you can click confirm. Alright, if you've uploaded from your computer, you're going to get this pop-up which tells you to continue on your phone, which is why we recommend that you simply start the whole process on your phone from the beginning. But if you have chosen to upload from your computer, you'll get this page and then you'll click get secure link. And this is the same thing that would pop up if you started on your phone from the beginning, and you can scan the QR code, get it via SMS, or copy the link.